Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Shopify, one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world. If you're thinking about starting an online business, switching platforms, or you just want to understand what Shopify actually does and whether it's worth the money, this video is for you. Let's talk about a full overview of Shopify, its main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and at the end we'll see if this is worth it. Let's get started. Shopify is an all-in-one e-commerce platform that allows you to create an online store, sell products or services, accept payments, manage inventory, and scale your business, all from one dashboard. What makes Shopify special is that it's not just a website builder, it's a complete commerce ecosystem designed for beginners, growing businesses, and even large global brands. With Shopify, you can build a professional online store without coding. You can sell physical products. You can even sell digital products, subscriptions, or services. You can accept payments locally and internationally, and you can sell on social media, marketplaces, and in physical locations. You can also manage orders, customers, and analytics all in one place. Shopify is used by millions of merchants worldwide, from small solopreneurs to massive brands generating millions in revenue. That wide adoption tells you one thing: the platform is reliable, scalable, and trusted. Now, let us talk about the main features of Shopify. Store Builder and Themes. Shopify comes with a powerful store builder that allows you to create a beautiful, mobile responsive online store. You don't need to know how to code, but if you do know HTML or CSS, Shopify allows deeper customization as well. This makes Shopify beginner friendly but still flexible enough for advanced users. Payments and checkouts. Shopify offers its own built-in payment system called Shopify Payments, which lets you accept card payments without setting up third-party gateways. The checkout experience is one of Shopify's biggest strengths. It's fast, secure, and optimized for conversions. Customers can check out quickly, which reduces abandoned carts and increases sales. Shopify also supports multiple payment options depending on your region, giving customers more way to pay. Next is inventory and order management. With Shopify, managing products and orders is simple. You can track inventory in real time, you can manage multiple product variants, you can sync inventory across online and offline sales, and you can fulfill orders from one dashboard. This is especially useful if you sell on multiple platforms or you run both an online and a physical store. Online and in-person selling, POS. Shopify isn't limited to online stores. With Shopify POS or point of sale, you can sell in physical locations like retail shops, pop-ups, or events while keeping everything synced with your online store. Inventory, sales data, and customer information stay connected, giving you a complete view of your business. Then we have the analytics and the reports. Shopify provides built-in analytics to help you understand how your store is performing. You can track sales and revenue, customer behavior, products performance, and traffic sources. And this helps you make smarter business decisions without relying on external analytics tools. Marketing and SEO tools as well. Shopify includes built-in marketing features like basic SEO tools, email marketing, discount codes, and promotions that helps you attract customers and increases conversions without needing multiple platforms. Then there's the AI and the automation. Yes, Shopify now includes AI-powered tools that help with writing product descriptions, creating marketing content, designing store layouts, and automating repetitive tasks. This is especially helpful for beginners who want to move fast without hiring designers or copywriters. Another thing is the App Store and integrations. If Shopify doesn't do something out of the box, there's usually an app for it that you can integrate with. So what is the pricing of Shopify like? You can start for free, then you can enjoy $1 per month for 3 months. So that offer stands on all the plans. For the basic plan, which costs $19 per month, you can get started with $1 for the first 3 months. The same for the Grow plan at $54, the Advanced plan at $299, and the Plus plan at $2,300. What are the pros and cons of using Shopify? The pros: it is very easy to use. It's an all-in-one platform with hosting included. It scales from small stores to large enterprises, and there's excellent checkout experience. It also has built-in AI tools and automation tools, and it supports online and offline selling. How about the cons? The monthly cost can add up if you use apps and add-ons, and the transaction fees apply if you don't use Shopify payments. There's also advanced customization that requires paid apps, and some features are simply locked behind the higher tier plans. So, is Shopify really worth it? For most people, yes. Shopify is one of the best e-commerce platforms available if you want something that is reliable, scalable, and easy to use. It removes the technical barriers of running an online store and lets you focus on selling and growing your brand. However, Shopify may not be the best choice for you if you're in a very tight budget, if you dislike monthly subscriptions, or you want deep customization without extra costs. And that's it on the review of Shopify. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and Wix e-commerce. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.